Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg in the microwave without it exploding. It's a common kitchen mishap, but easily avoidable with the right technique. The main reason eggs burst is due to steam building up inside, especially within the yolk. We'll cover simple steps to ensure your egg cooks perfectly and safely every time. You'll learn how to prepare your egg and microwave it correctly for delicious results in just a few minutes. Now let's get started with the essential preparation. First, select a microwave-safe bowl or mug. A glass measuring cup works wonderfully. Lightly grease it with cooking spray or a tiny bit of oil to prevent sticking. Next, crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into your prepared container. This is crucial. Never microwave an egg in its shell. Then, carefully pierce the yolk and white 4 or 5 times with a fork or toothpick. This simple step creates vents for steam, preventing any messy explosions. With your egg prepared, it's time for smart microwaving. For a poached-like egg, add about 1/3 cup of cold water to fully submerge it. This helps distribute heat evenly. Cover your container with a microwave-safe lid or plastic wrap, leaving a small gap for steam to escape. Microwave on medium power for an initial 30 to 60 seconds. Remember, microwave wattages vary, so starting with a shorter time is always a good idea. This initial burst begins the cooking process gently. After the initial cooking, carefully remove the cover, directing steam away from your face. Gently stir or flip the egg to promote even cooking. Return it to the microwave and continue cooking in short bursts of 10 to 15 seconds. Check after each interval until the egg whites are fully set and the yolk reaches your preferred consistency. Once done, let your egg rest in the hot container for about 1 minute. This residual heat finishes the cooking, giving you a perfectly prepared, non-explosive microwave egg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.